Good afternoon and namaste. Respected Chairperson and Mayor Mr. Sunil Prajapati, Chief Guest of today's program, Honorable Leader Narayan Man Bijukche, Rohit, Leader and Member of Parliament Mr. Prem Suwal, Bagmati Province Members of Parliament Mr. Surendra Raj Gosai, Deputy Mayor of Bhaktapur Rajni Joshi, Registrar of Nepal Engineering Council Engineer Shiva Mangal Giri, Assistant Dean of IOE Professor Dr. Sushil Bajracharya, Chief District Officer Mrs. Rudra Devi Sharma, Chief Executive Officer Ramlal Shrestha, Bhaktapur Municipality, Principals Engineer Sujan Makha Sir and Sunil Dual Sir, faculty members of the college, staffs and students. It is my great pleasure to be a part of this auspicious occasion, the 20th and 13th anniversary of two colleges, namely Khopo Engineering College and Khopo College of Engineering. I would like to thank to MC and organizing team to provide me an opportunity to speak on behalf of Purvanchal University. 20 years ago, the visionary leaders and academicians of Bhaktapur has founded this college, most probably as the first community-based college, engineering college in the country. This college is now emerging as one of the icon and role model college of engineering education, not only in the country, but also in the region. We talk much about the health and education as the primary responsibility of the government, but the local municipality of Bhaktapur has proved it by doing. So, I pay my sincere respect to the founder of both the institutions. I visited this college many occasions and noticed the pleasing academic environment inside the premises and all kind of logistic supports that you provide to the students to provide healthy academic environment. Due to the all-round support of Bhaktapur municipality, sincere efforts of college administration and faculties, staffs, the products of colleges are doing well in the country and abroad. Bhaktapur is a city of ancient heritage, monuments and rich culture. In this context, you are providing programs like civil, architect and urban planning and conservation, which will directly benefit the society and the country in large. This will also enrich the name and fame of the country and the ancient city. The students who go abroad for research and study are the ambassadors of this historic city. Now, it is the high time that you also focus on education and research in newly emerging subjects. The university is ready to support you within the plan and policy of the university. As a Dean of Faculty of Engineering and on behalf of Purvanchal University, my sincere efforts will be to work together with the constituent and affiliated colleges to provide the quality engineering education and research. As you know, the present high-level management of PU is working with a slogan, Purvanchal Vishwavidyalaya Jana Samudayama. This is the new slogan of the high-level management team of Purvanchal University, which you have already established 20 years ago. Our concept is clear. Community-based colleges can work faster and better to provide all kind of education. Purvanchal University Faculty of Engineering is now busy to revise the 10-year-old syllabus at bachelor level and planning to introduce the new syllabus from this academic year. We are also brainstorming to introduce some new emerging subjects like biomedical engineering, railway engineering, or similar subjects that will be beneficial for the students and the country. We are equally paying our attention to maintain the academic calendar and narrow down the academic losses produced by COVID-19. We have already published a general notice for forthcoming BE ARC entrance, and first time we are introducing an online submission of entrance examination form for bachelor and master's level programs. We have signed MOU with some academic institutions like IOE and some research centers to work together in education, training, and research activities. So, there is a lot of scope to improve the academic and research environment of Purvanchal University, and we are heading to achieve one by one. We have fixed our priorities, and with the support of all stakeholders, I am sure we will achieve the better academic environment of Purvanchal University and uplift the poor image of the university to a higher level. PU has also initiated to conduct a single joint entrance exam for BE and BArc and already negotiated with UGC and Nepal Engineering Council to coordinate among the universities that provide engineering education in the country. Mr. Registrar of NSE has already mentioned this. Lastly, my sincere thanks to the principal, Engineer Sujan Makasar, and organizing team for inviting me from Gotegaon Morang to Bhaktapur and providing me an opportunity to share my views about you and Purvanchal University. Thank you. Namaste.